So what now? You've learned most of the ways to do C++ coding. You can do much. You can do a pretty good amount. You can do a pretty good amount with it, but you still need a few more tutorials to know how to apply them. But before we can do that, I must teach you the most important C++ command. Now, that's in my opinion, because this I use all the time. Let's say this. Imagine this, an int x equals 0. Alright? Int x. So, let's make it just a random variable int x. Yeah? We're going to then ask the player to type in the value of x. Alright? Now let's say this. If they typed in x to be 3, 5, 10, 20, and 30, so let me just list that out for you. 3, 5, 10, 20, 30, we wanted to print hello. Otherwise, we wanted to print bye. So, if you're just doing the conventional, if you're doing it the regular way, it'll be if x is equal to 3, cout, hello. Alright, and I'm not going to waste time, so I'm just going to copy and paste this. That's 5, that's 10, that's 20, 30. Goodbye. As you can see, it is ridiculously long. Like, just ridiculous. What kind of, yeah, it works, but what kind of coding is this? This is ridiculous. So, C++ has an easier way. Switch. How do you use the switch command? Well, first type in the word switch, then put brackets, and then put your usual curly braces. Here, inside, is what you wanted to test the value for. Now, this will come into play later. So let's just put in x, and you'll see why. Here, case 3. Hello. Hello. What did I just do? What did I just do? I made a case. So what it's going to do is it's going to check this case and see if the value inside of the bracket is equal to the case. If so, run this code and then break out the code. Because if you don't put a break, then it's going to run everything else. Yeah. Very important you add the break once you finish the case code. I am pretty sure. No, okay, that's fine. And now, look how condensed this can be. Because now we're not filling it with else this. We can just have this. 10, 20, 30. And yeah, you can't have the same case. Otherwise it breaks. Hey, that rhymes. Thank God. Now what happens, how do we print? Now, if you wanted to do the else command inside switches. Oh yeah, one last thing. Switches do run every single case. So yeah, they're pretty useful if you need that. And you don't want to just fill your code with if. Yeah. Default. What does this do? If none of these cases are true, default will run, and yeah, default will run, and no matter what the value is, it will always just do whatever's in here. And then I'm just gonna put system pause. For the sake of convenience. We see now. Let's put in 3. Hello. Perfect. Let's put in 5. Hello. Perfect. Let's put in 10. Hello. Perfect. Let's put in 20. Hello. Perfect. Let's put in 13. Hello. Perfect. Let's put in 17. Goodbye. You see how the switch works? Very simple. Let's put in a hash. That's the extra good. That's also a good thing about the switch. Since it's defaulting to anything, it'll always default to it even though it's a string. So if I just decide to type letters instead of numbers, goodbye. Alright, so now you know how to use a switch. Yeah. Anyway, if you like this, press the like button. Subscribe to me if you want to see more coding videos, or if you're more into gaming videos, I have those too. And I'll see you all in the next video.